Introducing the Office-Based Surgical Procedure Set, 15 pieces by Stellmacher Instruments, your trusted partner in precision and reliability for ophthalmic procedures. This versatile set is ideal for minor ophthalmic surgeries, lesion excisions, Chalazion forceps, and other office-based interventions. With precise cutting, grasping, and suturing instruments, it empowers surgeons to perform with accuracy and confidence, minimizing patient discomfort and enhancing procedural outcomes. At Stellmacher Instruments, we prioritize ergonomic design and superior craftsmanship. Each tool is engineered for ease of handling, ensuring a seamless experience for surgeons while maintaining the highest standards of patient care. Whether you're setting up a new practice or upgrading your surgical toolkit, the Office-Based Surgical Procedure Set, 15 pieces, is an essential investment in precision, efficiency, and excellence. Order yours today and experience Stellmacher Instruments, where innovation meets surgical precision. Follow us on social media for the latest updates, products, and tips from Stellmacher Instruments.